So it's 1 week since the season has closed, and it is the first time in probably 2 weeks that the temperature is above 5 degrees. For the most part, it's been below zero or well below zero since Christmas. And today it is an amazing 12 degrees outside, which is incredible. So I've got the family. Briar's back there in the sled, and we're going sledding. This is what you do during the off season when there's no more birds down. And we are on one of the WMAs that I hunted a couple times this year and shot grouse on. There's a big hill back here that's pretty good for sledding. So we're taking Briar out. But this is the last hunting episode of the Minnesota season. So earlier in the week, my friend Micaiah came to visit from South Dakota to pheasant hunt. And we had some luck. We shot a few birds. We shot a few birds, but it was really, really cold out. The next day was a hunt on private property. I'm going to pick up right where I left off on the last episode. And now it's today. And I know I said I normally don't ever hunt private property, but I'm making an exception today because a gentleman that lives a few miles north of me who recently put a bunch of his land into CRP. He's got this beautiful property here. He's got a couple 100 acres. He called me the other day and said that they were deer hunting and saw tons and tons of pheasants. And he doesn't pheasant hunt. He knows that I pheasant hunt. And said, you're more than welcome to go out there and give it a try. So I drove up here last night with Micaiah to take a look at it. And we saw 3 roosters on this access road on the way in. Holy cow, that was ridiculous. 3 shots. And it looked like I hit him every time, but the last one was the one that put him down. Remy found him. Man, that was just like, I don't think I was missing. I think he was just tough. 3 times, bam, bam, bam. I don't know if it would be possible to shoot any worse than I have shot today. I mean, obviously I've got 2 dead birds. It took me 3 shots to kill the first bird, 3 shots to kill the second bird, and I put 3 shots into a different bird that I didn't get. I'm up to 9 shots today, 2 birds. Yesterday I was 3 for 3, and now I'm 2 for 9. But a bird is a bird. Shells are cheap enough. Hopefully we can find one more and finish this day with a limit. After that, we went to our friend's house in Detroit Lakes for a New Year's party, and I wasn't going to go pheasant hunting because it was, I believe it was minus 35 wind chill, and my friends decided to go deer hunting, and so I felt like I had to get out and go hunting myself. So I went out for a little bit. There are 2 days left of season, and I wasn't gonna go hunting today. We're up at our friends near Detroit Lakes, Minnesota, and I was just gonna stay at their house, be warm, watch a Vikings game, and not go hunting. And I had a great yearning that said, you must go, there's only 2 days left. So I'm already thinking this is a mistake. Been driving around for a little bit, have not seen any roosters in fields, have not seen much for bird sign, for tracks along the roads. I was just kind of scouting out a good location to hunt, and I have not found one, so I've just picked a spot. We're going to give it a try. We're going to just hunt for a little bit so we don't overdo it with the dogs, because it is minus 24 out right now. Oh, this is just silly. But only 2 days left, so you gotta go. Just gotta. Holy crap! I have made poorer decisions in my life, but I can't remember when. Oh, my neck thing is frozen. Frozen. Oh. My eyelashes kept freezing shut. I'd blink and they'd freeze, and then I'd go like this and pull them open again. Oh. I'm going to say success. We went hunting today. We saw some bird tracks. And we're done. We survived. But tomorrow is the last day of pheasant season. It's supposed to be -2, which is going to feel like a scorcher after today. So we'll probably get out for a few hours, and hopefully we can shoot a 2018 rooster. That's always my goal, is to shoot 1 bird in the new year. But this year, the last day of the season is the first day of the year, so I'm probably not going to put any of this in the video, so I don't know why I'm talking about it. Okay, that's it. I'm done. And then it was the last day of the season. This is it. It's the last day. It's noon on January the 1st. Happy New Year. The last day of Minnesota's pheasant season. And grouse season, for that matter. There's no upland bird hunting that you can do anymore in Minnesota after today. It's kind of a relief in some aspects, because, like, look at the back of this vehicle. I mean, that's from endless gravel roads. There's just guns and equipment, and it's just full of dirt and dog tracks, and it's a disaster. I mean, that's kind of how it just turns into a grind after day after day after day of hunting, trying to find the next spot to go to. But I love all that stuff. So it's also kind of like, I don't want it to be over. But we got one more. We're gonna go do it. Ridiculous! 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 Good dog! Woo! Come on, Daisy. Come on, come on. That was ridiculous and incredible. And a great start to the last day of the season. It's only -4 out today. I love this stuff. I mean, look at that bird. He's beautiful. Nice long tail on him. Yeah. We just started and we've got 4 hours left to hunt. So maybe we'll get a couple more. But we're not getting skunked. This is the first bird of 2018. And a nice one at that. Oodles of birds got up out of that cattail slough down there. Probably a dozen or more. And I was actually fairly calm. This rooster got up behind me. And I made a pretty good shot on him. But I was working my way up the hill and Remnar just pile drives into my knee. God, Remnar! That hurt and it was very cold. Ah, owie. Younger bird than the last one for sure, but that's bird number 2 for 2018. And there was a number of other roosters. There go more. There's 2 more hens out of the bottom there. We should get going. And that's it. That's how the Minnesota season ended. And I'm not gonna quit vlogging. I've got a lot of topics that I want to cover, but I think I'm gonna cut back to a bi-weekly vlog. And I'm gonna be off for a little while now until the end of January, because the last weekend in January, Will and I are going to go to southwest Nebraska to hunt quail. So for now, I'm just going to enjoy the rest of my day pushing Briar down the hill or dragging him back up. But that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Do you need more room back there?
No, but you gotta take this.
Oh.
Hold on.
Hold on.
It's recording, so.
Is this still going? Okay.
Yep.
Oh, hold on.
I mostly want to see Briar's face.
I know.
Okay, Briar, you ready?
Yeah.
Say go.
Okay.
Oh.
Was that fun?
Nah.